Slow down, love.
Morning, anak. Hello, happy birthday. Good morning. Nice. Stretch, anak. Stretch again. Morning. Do you want to go to the lounge? Do you want to see your surprise? Okay, I'll change your nappy first. Let's get out of the bed. Come on. Turn on the lights. You ready?
Okay. What's going on?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. What's that?
Wow.
Wow. What is that? Wow.
Open.
Me. Wow.
What's it? Wait. Rip it off.
2, 3. What's that? 2. Wow.
Yes.
Yay! She wants to open right away.
No, the door.
There's a. You can open the door, anak.
Yeah, like this. Like this. Look, look, look.
Wow!
Push the button. Push the button. Push. Here, Lottie, this one. What? Her face. No, baby, look at her face.
Oh, she's staring at me.
Moments later.
Guys, good morning. Say hi, everyone. She just woke up from her nap. Yes. Happy birthday, my love. Yes. So we're going to look at her. She's such a big girl. Are you a big girl? Are you strong? Strong. Yeah. So my sister is going to help me to run errands and to look after Lottie. We are celebrating her birthday on a weekday. Apparently, no one's available to cook lechon. So her ninong volunteered to cook lechon belly. It's gonna be a quite busy day. For those who don't know, I had an accident 2 weeks ago and I'm still recovering. Actually, my left eye is a bit swollen around my head. My headache is persistent. I am taking medication regularly for that. I'll take it easy today and make sure my little girl will have fun. Are you excited? Say, yes, mama. Yeah, so join us on her first birthday. Happy birthday, my love. Posing! No, to Mama Mary. Put your shoes on. Who's that? Someone's ringing. Who's that?
Happy birthday to you.
Wow! Happy birthday to... Oh, are you shy? Aray ko. Don't be shy. You say, hi Lola, thank you. Ganitong oras, nagle-labor ako.
Oo, nag-labor na kayo. Flight na rin pala kami. Dumating pala kami
Oo, pagkagabi. Hindi, kinabukasan ata kayo dumating na.
Oo.
Mama, punta kami sa kabila.
Sige na.
Come on, let's go to Ninong. Oopsie.
Happy birthday! I'm so excited! Happy birthday! The cutie. How are you? Come here, Yoshi.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Kuya, kanta, B? Kanta, sing.
Naik ko dia, sumbok.
Sugdi na ang mga malakasan.
Kanta na di.
Dara, tani siya.
Hello! You're so big now. I know, super. And he's smiling.
Pa-chorizo levels na siya.
Dati lang nasa tummy namin.
Sa labas na.
Hi, girlies are here.
Go inside. I swear.
Thank you for coming, though. Sorry, thank you for coming. Hello.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Shout out by the way to my sister and my brother-in-law for helping me to arrange everything and prepare. Thank you so much. Let's enjoy the day and let's eat. Thank you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, my love.
A few moments later.
G54. G54.
Slow down ha.
Love, slow down.
Sa letrang B. Letter I.
Love.
21. The son of my brother.
Ay, wala na.
Go! Nephew! Congratulations! Alright, next! On my signal, go! Okay? The first one to get that, okay? What is the plural form of child? Go! Children! What is the ethnicity of Logi's father? Go! Good. How many days does it take for the Earth to orbit around the Sun? Go!
Pass daw.
How many days? Just guess! I said, how many days in a year?
Ay, na year. Oh, okay.
What is the largest continent? Again. What is the largest? 1, 2, 3, go!
Yay! Pang-diet. Pang-diet.
Who is the Prime Minister of New Zealand? Hold on, wait up! I'll read the question. Use space. Who is the Prime Minister of New Zealand? Go!
Dapat next question.
Yes, that's correct. Maybe me, Stephanie.
Come on, Ladi.
Chasing the clouds away. Go, baby, Shauna. with me. And if we get lost
Come on, Lottie!
Say, do you remember?
Dance!
And the love we share, that's a love. Only beauty can love.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
No, this is not good.
This much.
Very nice. Siya ba yung mag-try mo ang...
Happy
It's yummy.
Yummy, no?
Ice
It's
cream
yummy.
yummy.
12. Five. 30.
30.
Okay.
Congratulations for winning $20.
Hello, Lottie. Cute face. Cute face. Hello, Tia. May pamangkin na. May topak. Hello. Are you well now? Yes. Kuha tayo ng wipes. I just arrived.
Sana all.
Noah. No one is there. Peekaboo. Wow. Ilang months ka na dito, Tia? 1 month pala. 1 month. Nice. Anak ko, inaantok na yun. Inaantok na yun.
Moments later.
Hey guys, so that's it for Lottie's birthday. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye! I don't know when am I going to edit this vlog. Bye! Cute face.